C3H5ON is 2. So which means there are two unsaturation. Now unsaturation means what? There is some kind of unsaturation, like it can be an alkene or an alkyne or some other sort. It can be an aromatic ring that is attached. So anyway it can be unsaturation. There are two unsaturations which are present. Okay. So to find out the structure we need to know through three important points. So first is the type of proton, and second is the chemical shift, and third is the multiplicity. So we are considering the three points for the given compound. So for the given compound we first consider the type of proton. Now we have 5 protons that are present, and also we have the IR and NMR values that are given. For NMR, that is given as 3.49 delta singlet 2 hydrogen and 4.22 delta singlet 3 hydrogen. Okay, which means totally there are 5 protons that are present. Okay, now there are 5 protons present, and that too from the details given it is understood that there are 2 type of protons that are present. That is 2 hydrogen is one type of proton and 3 hydrogen is another type. So we have, and one signal each is present. So singlet means it is a multiplicity that is concerned with, and there are one signal that is present for each protons. Okay, so next factor is NMR value, and before going to the NMR value that is given for this compound, we need to know that if the value is ranging from 3 to 5, it means that the proton is attached to a electronegative atom, and if it range from 3 to 1, then the proton is away from an electronegative atom, that is downfield and upfield respectively, which we have already discussed in the initial part of NMR spectroscopy. So here is actually the NMR values of some important compounds. The aromatic ring, it is 6.5 to 8, and for ketone it is 9 to 10, for amine it is 1.5 to 4, for alcohol it is 2 to 5, aryl alcohol it is 4 to 5, and it goes on. Okay, so the variable indicate that always a value, or the for example for methoxy it is given as 3.3, and we have it is given as variable, which means the value always may not be the 3.3, it can vary from 3.3 also. Okay, so using the values we can find out the groups corresponding to it. So here for this compound it is given that for 3.49 delta, from the table it is known that it is a methoxy group that is present. Methoxy group is having 3.3, and that too it is a value. So therefore we can say for 3.49 delta it is a methoxy group, and the value itself indicate that we have already concerned with the 3.3 to 5. The value is ranging from 3 to 5. It is known that it is attached, the proton is attached to some other electronegative atom, and also the methoxy group having the CH3, that is the protons that are present on carbon, is attached to electronegative atom oxygen. Okay, and another value of NMR value is 4.22 delta, which is having 2 hydrogen, that is singlet, and that is nothing but CH2 group, whereby this is being directly attached to an electronegative atom because the value is ranging from 3 to 5. So we can say it is attached to some other electronegative atom. So in another detail given is about the IR value. So here you can see the for different functional group we can have the different absorption location that is given, and here for the IR value for the given compound is 2250 centimeter inverse. Okay, so using that, from the table it is known that it is a nitrile which is having 2200 to 2250, and for alkyne also it is having the range of 2100 to 2250. Okay, now we opt the nitrile here because we have 2 unsaturation, and also there is a electronegative atom attached to the CH2 group itself. That is why the value of CH2 NMR value is ranging from 4.22 delta. So we can neglect alkyne and choose nitrile, so that the molecular formula obtained, the structure obtained is CH3OCH2CN. Okay, that is nitrile is having 2 double bond, indicating that there are 2 unsaturation and no other unsaturation is present in the molecule.